Alright, so I'm doing an unboxing of the MTN and Wi-Fi because that here is a ZLT S50 Cat 6 router, connects up to Type 6 devices. So this is MTN router we got. So I'm gonna do the unboxing of it and put it. Yes. This is manual guide for the MTN router. So set up then this is the SIM card which is also registered for the MTN router. So registered, then this is the router. So I'm gonna unpack it. So this is the router. This is actually the telephone port in case you want to link it to internet, the telephone making calls. This is actually the LAN, the internet cable. If you want to connect it to a internet like through cable devices or connect it to a switch, you can use it. And this is the power, and this is the WPS to connect it wireless, and this is Wi-Fi for connection. And this is where the two antennas are actually inserted. Then, so this is the front of it. Then here is the USB for charging it, powering on. Then this one is the reset button. If you want to reset your Wi-Fi, then here is the SIM card where it enters. So this is for this. So just go up to pack it, finish. Then this some stickers. That's remaining part of the stickers they stick here. So this is one remaining. Then over here, you see this is the charger. This is the charger of the Wi-Fi. And that has USB ports. And that has also USB port to power it. You can also use this power supply switch of 1.5 amp 12 volts. Easy to power it, to charge it. So this is it. Then also this is the battery for the Wi-Fi. This is the battery. This is the battery. It actually has its power bank. So this power bank for this router. So what you just do is you keep it separate, you connect it towards this place to be charging your Wi-Fi. Your router will be on while your charger is connected to this place to be charging the power bank. Then also you guys the indication when it's charging and when you're using your battery. This is where it is. Then over here is your button to on it and off it. If you want to on it, you can use it to on it. This is off, taking it up is on. So that is for it. Then this is actually the stand. In case you want to stand it, you can use this to stand it. You can plug it this way for it to balance well. So insert it like this for it to stand. So but I don't want to fix it right now. So you can use this to make it to set up the stand. By locking it, you make it stand. Then that is for the standing of the. You want to keep your Wi-Fi to stand. You just connect it and it stands. So then over here is the internet cable, patch cable actually used to connect to maybe wireless PC. Wireless. So there is the two actually which you can use to connect to the back of the router. Let me just do a short connection of how it looks like. So these are it goes. Just screw this over here. Screw this over here. So you can have access to turn it this way and get it this way. Right. So like this. This is the patch cable, which you can plug down here. If you want to connect to this, just plug it down here to connect your PC. This is the power bank. Just plug it in the back here. And I just power it on. See it. What is on? It's on. And your Wi-Fi, MTN Wi-Fi is the router is on. So just power it off actually. The charger can now be plugged to this part to charge the power bank. That is all for that. I also do the setup and when we're done setting it up also. Okay. Now the SIM card, how you insert the SIM card is just and there's also recharged, registered, and then it comes with you get it from MTN office, which I did. It comes with pre-activated 8 gig. So okay, just get this one. SIM card. It comes with a 30 gig data for 1 month.